Do you think you need to be rich to invest and reach your first million? What if I told you that with discipline and time on your side, you can get there even by investing small amounts? Most people give up before they even start because they believe that only those who earn a lot of money can truly invest. But the reality is that small, consistent contributions can transform your financial future. Today, I'm going to prove it to you. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how long it takes to reach your first million by investing small amounts each month. If you want to break free from financial stagnation and build a millionaire future starting today, this video is for you. Let's get into the numbers. Many people believe that to get rich, you need to earn a lot of money. But this is one of the biggest lies in the financial world. The truth is, making a lot of money is useless if you don't know how to manage it. How many stories have we heard of celebrities and lottery winners who made millions but lost everything in a few years? The secret to building wealth is not how much you earn, but how you manage and grow your money. And the formula for that is simple: consistency and discipline. Imagine this. You invest $500 per month. That might not seem like much, but with compound interest working in your favor, the results are surprising. Over time, your money starts working for you, and what once seemed like small contributions turn into a fortune. Let's break it down. Let's say you invest $500 every month in an index fund that yields an average of 10% per year. In 1 year, you will have invested $6,000, but thanks to compound interest, your balance will be slightly higher. After 10 years, your contributions will total $60,000, but with the returns, you'll have approximately $103,000. And after 20 years, the number jumps to around $380,000. Now, if you keep going for 30 years, you will be a millionaire with over $1.1 million in your account. The most incredible part? You only contributed $180,000 over those 30 years. The rest came from interest working in your favor. The biggest mistake people make is underestimating the power of time and compound interest. They think, oh, $500 a month won't make a difference, and they end up spending money on things that don't bring long-term value. But every great fortune starts with a first step, and the earlier you take it, the better. The longer your money stays invested, the greater your returns. Even if you can't start with $500, begin with what you can. It doesn't matter. The key is consistency. Now you might be wondering, but what if I don't have 30 years? What if I want to reach my first million faster? The answer is, increase your contributions as your income grows. If you start investing $500 per month, but gradually increase your contributions over time, you will reach your goal much faster. Many people start small, and as they get salary raises or find new income sources, they increase their investments. That's how you speed up the process. And what about risks? Every investment carries risks, but when you invest wisely in diversified long-term assets, your risk decreases significantly. The stock market, for example, has had ups and downs, but in the long run, it has always grown. The key is to stay consistent, reinvest dividends, and not panic during market downturns. Those who give up when the market drops miss out on the biggest growth opportunities. So what's the takeaway here? You don't need to be rich to start investing, but you do need patience, discipline, and consistency. Time is your greatest ally, and the sooner you start, the better. The secret to financial success isn't about earning more, but about investing wisely and letting compound interest work its magic. Now I have a challenge for you. Start today. Even if it's with a small amount, make your first investment and commit to growing it over time. In a few years, you'll thank yourself for making this decision now. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's build a future of financial freedom together.